A few people have sent us pictures of their plants that they grew when we first started this project, and I have been so impressed with how some of you are doing with that. Well done. But there are a few more work pages that need to be done, so I am just going to really quickly run you through this booklet and what you have left to do. So we already finished this page where you drew your seeds and then you talked about seeds and how they were similar and different. The next page is fairly simple, but you will need an adult to help you with this one because some of the words might be a little tricky for you to read. So for this one, what you're going to do is just circle the best answer for each of these statements. So the roots, and then you have to decide, do they collect sunlight so the plant can make food? Or do they collect water and nutrients from the ground and hold the plant in place? So if you think about the roots of a plant, are they above the plant so that they get sunlight, or are they below the plant to try and get nutrients and keep the plant firm? So that is that page. This page just talks about what a plant needs and how they meet that need. So a plant needs water to survive. How is your plant getting water? How is your plant getting food, soil, and light? Then there's this one. So for this page, you actually have to rip out the middle of your book. So I'm going to rip that out. And then there's all of these boxes. So you're going to cut out these boxes and decide which of these is first. So does the flower produce seeds to make new plants first? Or is a seed planted in the soil first? So you'll put the first one here, then next, then after that, and last. For this page here, we want you to draw and color what your plants look like. So where are your plants right now? What do they look like? If your plant was doing really well and then maybe it's not doing so well anymore, maybe draw what your plant looked like when it was doing its best. And then we want you to write how your plants are similar and how your plants are different. Make sure you label them too. Which one is the bean plant and which one is the radish plant? On this page, you're going to research 2 other living things that benefit from plants. So if you have a plant in your garden, what is your plant helping? For me in my garden, I know that my lettuce plants are really helping the slugs. Not really beneficial to me, but very beneficial to the slugs. So I might draw a slug here, and I would write about how the slugs eat my lettuce plants, and then they become healthier and full. On the last page, we want to know, after your plants are harvested, what could you do with them? So it says visit a local farm, and you actually went to a farm sort of on a video. So you can use that video information from our field trip a few weeks ago, or you can just go online and see 2 different ways that people grow food and then what they do with their food after. So if you are like this person here and you're growing tomatoes, what could you do with your tomatoes? And that is the end of our booklet. If you have any questions about this, please let us know. But good luck, and I hope your plants turn into yummy food for you.